Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Cloudflare on your domain. Let's get started. First, log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're in, look at the upper right corner, you'll see a Go-To option. Click on that. Under Domains, select the domain where you want to disable Cloudflare. Now, head over to the Overview tab. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Here, under Advanced Actions, you'll see two options: Pause Cloudflare or Remove site from Cloudflare. For now, go ahead and click Pause Cloudflare. A confirmation message will pop up. Just click Pause again to confirm your choice. And that's it. Cloudflare is now disabled for your selected domain. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.